How to redeem Spirit Mastercard points for flights. If you have the free Spirit Mastercard, you can easily turn your points into flights with Spirit Airlines. Here's how you can redeem your points step by step. First thing you can do is log into myfreespiritpointscard.com. Tap on it and make sure that your free Spirit Mastercard is linked so that your points are tracked and available. To redeem, you can start a flight search, then select points options instead of dollars. And by doing that, Spirit will show you flights with available award seats. And redemption can start from as low as 2,500 points one way, depending on the route and date. Once you select your flight, then you can just go ahead and book the flight, and you'll pay just taxes and any required carrier fees using your card. If you're low on points, you can choose the points plus cash option to cover the rest of the fare. You can also pool points with family or friends up to 8 people. Only free Spirit Mastercard holders or elite members can start a pool. And to avoid any fees, try to book your flight at least 28 days in advance. And if you book closer to departure, a redemption fee applies unless you're a card holder or an elite member. Here's an interest rates and fee summary as well, so you can just look it out. You can find more information about the points on their website as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.